All right, guys, the Tacoma Lifestyle and 4Runner Lifestyle guys just got here. We shipped them the stuff to do this Tacoma a couple years ago, or a year ago, I guess. And so they actually wired this one with all of our stuff in the Garmin PowerSwitch, but now they have their brand new, like I think they got it 2 weeks ago, Toyota 4Runner, and this thing is super nice. So I made a bet with them that I could get all of the wiring and everything for the PowerSwitch installed in 20 minutes or less. We'll see if I can do it or not, but these guys are here headed to Socal Expo. So I was like, all right, stop in, let's wire this thing up. So just to show the install on this thing, like on our Garmin PowerSwitch kits, is so good. I'm telling you, you can do it on your lunch break. If you get it in on a Friday midday, you can knock this thing out on your lunch break at work and then head home, pack your gear and hit the trail. It is so easy. So check this out. We'll see if I can do it. So they're on their way to Expo in SoCal, and so they're like, yeah, we want to wire the vehicle, but obviously I don't have time to go up there this week, and then it's like, we don't have time to stop. So I told them I can wire it in 20 minutes using the stuff we sell on the website, and they're like, nah. But we can, and so we're going to. So we'll start the timer here in a minute. I'm just getting everything ready. They just pulled up, so once all of the stuff is ready, he's making a harness. I got to measure for the next harness. And then once those are done, we will go ahead and start this install and knock it out in quite literally like 20 minutes. So essentially you're gonna use the exact same kits that we ship to customers. So if you wanna wire your brand new 4Runner or Tacoma, or basically any Tacoma or 4Runner, head over to blazeoffroad.com, grab this stuff, because you're gonna see you can install it and wire your vehicle in about 20 minutes, assuming the lights are already mounted, because that takes longer. All right, so the only thing that we didn't do already was get measurements for these lights. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and measure this thing. 50. 100 should be like plus. 150 and 75.
You need that set up? Yeah, it's all set up. I just need to hit go on this and that. So when you're ready.
All right. Ready? All right, let's go. So we're gonna start by taking off your factory battery cover here. This thing is obnoxiously tight for no reason on all of these. It's every one of them.
What's the great thing about hand tools, though? It's stuff everybody has at home.
Yeah, and I actually like working with them better. It's more therapeutic, you know? It's more realistic. Everybody at home is gonna have them. I'll put $1,000 on over 20 minutes. I can make it take more than 20 minutes. Dang! I got it. Okay. The Garmin kit is mounted.
2 minutes and 35 seconds in.
Yeah, so it takes 2 minutes to mount a Garmin kit. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the ground cables for the PowerSwitch and the ground bar.
About 6 minutes in almost.
Uh-oh. That makes me nervous for the zip tying, because I'm so OCD with zip tying wires that, like, I don't know if I'll be able to get the zip tying done by that.
Yeah. Dropping bolts doesn't help you.
No, it added a solid minute. Especially because I lost focus. All right, who's driving this vehicle? Download the PowerSwitch app, because it's installed now. What? That's super weird. Good thing we keep harnesses in stock. I needed a different one. There we go. The balance here, because I want to do it fast, but I also definitely need to do it right.
We're about 12 minutes in. What was that for?
This is ditch lights.
Okay, so you got driver's side SS5 on.
Yep.
Passenger side now.
Yep, so just running the harness across the engine bay. And then plug this light in, and then get the harness connected to the PowerSwitch setup. And then we'll grab that one from Adam, and then wire in the chase lights also.
Sweet. Okay, we're 15 minutes in. Cables going on so we can keep everything nice and secure. Zip ties, I mean, going on the cables. 19 minutes.
If this was another shop or a customer doing this, it would have been done by now because they wouldn't have cable tied anything.
Another nice thing about this kit is everything is cut to length. So like, really, you just plug it in, put it over there, and there's no like excess wiring. It's just like hiding in the corner of this little nest. So that's another pro about it. We can just stop the timer.
Dang, I'm ready for the next harness. So I was gonna ask to pause it anyways. So pause that real quick, Kai. Because if a customer had got it in the mail, it would have been already. We're not still working on the harness, right?
I think 20 minutes is a good, like, I mean, really,
Dude,
20
it's gonna
minutes
take
is
23.
fast.
Like-
Yeah, like, there's a couple things left, so if it goes a little bit over, but it just goes to show that, like, 30 minutes or under. Like, how often do you guys have a 30-minute install that's gonna connect, I mean, all these
somebody
lights
filming
and
this? This
everything?
is a great
I'm filming
monologue.
it. I have it right now.
This is a great
I put a microphone
Thanks,
on for
Kai.
a reason. You're welcome. I try to monologue a little bit.
It takes us hours.
Because there's a fine balance between getting it done right and getting it done quick. We just wanted to see for ourselves how fast we could get it done and prove to customers that it says on our website 30 minutes or under install. And
It says an hour right now.
yeah, it says an hour right now.
Yeah,
Like,
the website
it's
says there's a 1
so
hour
quick.
install. It's, I don't know, literally less than 30 minutes. So, and a customer, I mean, they take a little bit longer, right? But yeah, it's guaranteed hour or less.
Like when I installed mine, when I bought it from you before I even knew you, like that's where I got hung up was wiring because I didn't order a harness from you.
No,
I
you
didn't
just got
know
the
to order a
kit.
harness. I just got the kit. So that's where ordering the harnesses comes in handy too.
Yeah.
Is it makes wiring all your lights super handy because I was like trying to find YouTube videos because I'm not familiar with splicing wires, doing all that right. That's why you come to Blaze.
It's all done.
Yeah, exactly.
It's plug and play.
Plug and play.
Yeah.
It is the definition of plug and play.
Yeah. Where's that timer at?
Okay, so we pause the timer at 20 minutes and 4 seconds. We're gonna press play again because we're ready to do the next section.
All right, so we're gonna start over here. Plug this puppy in. The chase light harness. Now available on our website too, for the first time ever. This one is not wide enough. They have the lights on the outside. We gotta remake this harness. We gotta remake the harness. The lights are on the outside of the rack and I didn't know that. So if you want them out there, we'll just make the harness for that. It's not a big deal.
Okay. That's not good.
Come give me a hand real quick. All right, so hold that up. Yeah, dude, that's gonna be plenty.
185 again?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just go ahead and make
Cut that,
these cuts real quick.
cut the 10, and then I'll get you a measurement right now.
10 is good, so it's just the 40 that we're changing?
Yeah. Oh, it needs to be 60 instead of 40. That looks about right too. $60. Yeah, just plug them in. So we're running the wire up to the front, around all the brackets and everything on the rack. And then I'll go through, cable tie it all, and then it'll be done. So this will probably take like 3 minutes.
Yeah, last little section.
Here, they drive down and stay at
23 minutes basically to get everything wired up. Now the last little bit is just to cable tie, do the cable management, zip tie everything.
I think I need the longer ones for the bars. Oh, that's a sweet crossbar. I could speed this way up if I were to just like only throw a handful of zip ties on here, like most shops would anyways, or people would anyways. But I'm gonna keep doing it right. I'll take the extra couple minutes. All right guys, it ended up being about 30 minutes because we remade the chase harness, just where they have the lights mounted, measured. I wanted it done right. I didn't want to just move the lights, so we made a new harness instead. So I would put it, probably would have been 25 minutes, 26-ish with the full install, zip tie and everything. But the Garmin kit itself was, what, 6 to 8 minutes to get installed and wired. There's less than 2 minutes to install it, but and wired, like 6 to 8 minutes. Throw all your harnesses on. All this stuff will come in a box when you order it from the website. So you're literally gonna go to blazeoffroad.com and place your order for the Garmin kit. When you order the harnesses as well, it shows up labeled, ready to run, you drop it in. This specific kit works in the 6th gen 4Runner, the 4th gen Tacoma, and the Lexus GX 550, as well as the International, so the non-hybrid Land Cruisers. So this kit works on all those vehicles. Super excited about that. We also have kits for the Tundras and the older Tacomas and 4Runners as well. So head over to blazeoffroad.com, check these things out, grab one today, and you can truly get it installed in under 20 minutes without all the harnesses.
Dude, this kit is actually so awesome though. Thanks for putting it together.
Yeah, dude.
Like, I mean, on my Tacoma, I had to wire every single light on my own and like make our own harnesses, and it just sucked and it took forever. I honestly think it took us a couple hours to do everything, just because of just like finding out to where everything would go, soldering everything together, and this was like 25 minutes. So it's actually insane how quick it is.
Yeah, it's nuts.
I love it. It's sick.
Makes it easy for customers.
Yeah, and that's the thing too. It's like there's very little questions about it because it's all so simple.
Yeah.
Like, and you even said like you never get questions of people asking where anything goes or like how it wires up. It's plug and play. It is the definition of plug and play. It's awesome.